You are going to love the 2017
Buick Envision. Envision is a luxury crossover designed to turn heads and welcome you in with its quality craftsmanship, spirited performance, and conversation-friendly cabin that will make your driving experience worthwhile. The Envision's handsome exterior and well-styled cabin are appealing, while its value-packed features list serves as a cherry on top.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, privacy glass, fog lamps, remote trunk release, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.